In this video, I am going to show you how to share videos from Google Photos on your PC step by step. This is the best and safest way to share videos in original quality, and every Android and PC user should know this method. Let's get started. I already have the Google Photos interface open on my PC. First, I clicked on a video file to open it. Now, in the top right corner, I clicked on the share icon. A sharing pop-up appeared. In this pop-up, I typed the email address of the person I wanted to share the video with. For this demonstration, I selected my own email address. After that, a sharing panel opened. Here, I could also type a message and I can share photos or videos from the same panel. Once everything was ready, I clicked on the send icon. Within a few seconds, the video was successfully shared. The person I shared it with will receive the video in original quality without compression. And that's it. This is how you can share videos from Google Photos on your PC easily and securely.